Hi everyone, it's Papa G, and I wanted to invite you all to make sure to come out to this year's 2022 Virtual Hoodoo Heritage Festival. This is 10 hours long of workshop training on Hoodoo and American folk magic. And the way we do it virtually is 10 of us have pre-recorded a class for you, edited it all together, made it nice and smooth, and then each of us, after the 45-minute class plays, you will have a live Q&A with us for about 15 minutes. So what classes do we have? First, we have Angela Marie Horner. She's doing the 7 roots of personal power and mastery. She's going to be going over a lot of roots used in Hoodoo. You got Papa Newt, who does doing spells on keeping or changing your job. There's a panel discussion of 5 different workers doing crossroad spells around the world. Clifford Lowe is doing lodestones on the altar. You have Catherine Ironwood, who's doing dolls and effigies in the Hoodoo and Conjure tradition, and she has just written a book about this, and it will be in the goodie boxes. Lady Muse is doing Time is of the Essence, which discusses timing in your spells and how timing is important. You have Reverend James, who's doing Chinese moon blocks and paper talismans. Dr. Jeremy Weiss is doing knot magic. Ramona Scott, herbal healing, and I am ending the day 2 with my Hexapeel workshop, which is based on the book I just came out with, which will also be in the goodie boxes. You can book readings that day. A lot of people who are in the air will be available for readings, so in between classes, or you can slide in those readings with different people or pre-booking them. You can get those goodie boxes. You've got to go ahead and get your tickets so while they still last. So what's a goodie box? It is retail value $100 worth of magical supplies and the 2 books that I mentioned, mine and Kat's, in there, so you can participate live in the workshops. Through each workshop, we'll be going over what ingredients to pull out, what to do, and you'll have those things right in front of you so you can participate. So this is the 15th annual Hoodoo Heritage Festival, and the 3rd year we've done it virtually. So make sure to go get your tickets now. Want to make sure you get the good goodie box at hoodooheritagefestival.com, and it is on August 13th and 14th. We'll see you there.